and Velma Pickett would rather cough blood into a rag than take the bread out of her children's mouths by calling her husband home. So when the cough turned bad in February, it was Velma and the 3 children alone on the 40 acres. And Velma got worse. The fever, the wet rattle in her chest, the nights she couldn't lie down without drowning in her own lungs. The doctor from Tyrell, a kind man named Dr. Hines, drove out when Clara Dean walked to town to fetch him, and he listened to Velma's chest and his face got grave, and he told them the truth as gently as he could. It was pneumonia, the bad kind, and without a particular medicine, one of the new antibiotics, just coming into use, Velma Pickett might not see April.